Hi there, I'm going to quickly go over the steps required to take an image, such as an animal track, and turn it into a 3D printed object. And it's not really that difficult once you've gone through the flow yourself once or twice. So the first step is you need an image. In this case, I've gone to the kentucky.gov website and I found this list of Pocket Guide to Animal Tracks. We'll use this as an example. Here you can see the elk option. After I've taken this, I export it as an individual image for each of the tracks, and I take that image and I bring it over to the tool easygif.com. And that itself has a PNG to SVG tool, which if you upload your image to, you can then switch the color mode to black and white, adjust some of these features here, the configuration options, to get the exact image you want, and then you'll get an outputted SVG. Now, I'll take on the rest inside of Fusion itself. Now inside of Fusion, you can see that this is already set up. I'll try to walk you through it, but you might want to check my site to see the context menus because I can't video record them from inside of this tool, unfortunately. The very basic parts are you take the blank animal tag, you go into the solid Create Sketch menu, and once you're in the Create Sketch menu, you select the front of the tag, and from there you can go to the Insert submenu that appears and insert SVG. You'll select it from your machine, and after you've selected it and ended the Create Sketch mode, you can select the sketch itself. Let me see if I can show it here. You can select the different pieces of the sketch itself to then extrude. And once you extrude into the surface here, you can cut into it to get this design. And you'll do the same thing for the text. Create a sketch, insert text. It's one of the options when you're creating it. And then I extruded it 0.75 millimeters. And after that, you pretty much have it set. Now we'll go ahead and add the new elk option to Prusaslicer. Here we go. And as you can see, we can slice the model. And at one point, I think it's 1.60, the color now is available to be changed here. To do a demonstration, I'm going to highlight the 0.4 and 0.25 nozzles for the quality preset for the printer. You can see with the 0.4 nozzle, it does one pass for the quotation here, and the text is a little less legible. When I go and do 0.25, obviously because of the smaller layer height, it's able to achieve the smaller nozzle. It's able to have this, as you can see from this, it's able to have two passes, giving it a little more definition and allowing you to more easily see the text. This ends up making a bigger difference when you have harder to print letters and text.